At first glance, this tiny insect may seem harmless and ordinary. But the Bombardier beetle hides one of the most complex and intelligent defense systems in the insect world. Using a rapid chemical reaction, it can fire a boiling, toxic spray with pinpoint accuracy, within a fraction of a second. Meet the Bombardier beetle, a harmless-looking insect with a chemical weapon that would make even a superhero jealous. Inside its tiny body, two chemicals are stored separately. But when danger strikes, they mix, creating a boiling explosion of toxic spray. Over 100 degrees Celsius. It aims. It fires. It escapes. Just like that. When you think the wild is quiet, just remember, some of nature's greatest defenses come in the smallest packages.